Evo nas pred Hard Wall arenom gdje se večeras održava finale Eurovisiona 2007. Eurovision 2007 finale. Organizatori su zabrinuti da li će se popuniti sala, da li će doći dovoljno ljudi, pošto im reklama nije bila tako jaka kao što su mislili.
Karte su inače prodane prije 6,5 mjeseci. Sve kod tapkaroša jedna karta košta preko nekoliko novčanica.
Idemo da vidimo je li došao iko na ovaj festival Eurosong 2007 i hoće li ko doći. Evo da vidimo. Jesu li to dobro napravili? Oh!
Malta.
Malta?
Yes.
Who is going to win tonight?
Tonight, Ukraine, probably.
Okay.
Everyone will vote for Ukraine.
Then it's party all night long.
Okay, yeah.
Oh, they are going to...
Hello, can I have one?
Do you speak English?
Yes, I do.
Where have you learned so good accent?
Because I'm from Ireland.
Ah, okay.
From childhood.
Good evening, ladies. Which country is your favorite?
Favorite is Latvia.
Good evening, ladies. Are you cold?
No, I'm okay. Vanity knows no coldness.
I'm cold in the jacket. You couldn't be.
I have my flag, I'm okay.
Okay, who is going to win? Is it good business to sell flag?
I hope so.
Seems to be very good.
Which kinds do you have?
Sorry?
Which kinds of countries do you have?
We have French, Italian, Germany, Norway, and Spanish. That's all we have.
Which is best going?
Probably this Spanish.
Do you have Finnish?
England. We hope we have, but we couldn't find a lot of them. So.
Okay. Excuse me, don't run away from me.
I'm sorry.
A little comment.
I'm sorry, but no.
I must ask if everything is under control.
Again.